What's up, guys and girls? Today is Thanksgiving in the United States 2020, and I am going for a ride. Every year, my wife and kids spend Thanksgiving with her family, and since I was created in a laboratory and escaped, I spend Thanksgiving in my own way, just riding around, contemplating things. Some pretty trees. Still have some fall color about, don't we? So let's see what we run into. What do you guys want to talk about? We can talk about the pandemic. Still going on, still going strong in the United States. Talk about what we're thankful for. I think that's a tradition on Thanksgiving in the United States. I'm thankful for all you guys. Hope everybody is healthy and happy. I need to adjust the angle on that camera. Thankful I get to ride the bike. It's 51 degrees out and damp. So I did the random number generator and it came up with me actually heading 51 degrees, which was interesting. I want to see what we find along the way. Okay. That would be 51 degrees would be a little bit like east northeast, somewhere there between that and northeast. Went for my left shoulder MRI and found out that my superhero broad shoulders won't fit in a narrow tube MRI machine, so they had to reschedule it with an open MRI. There's a red squirrel. Red Dead Squirrel, isn't that a video game? They had to reschedule it with an open MRI machine because they had a test fit area and it overlapped 8 inches on each side, more or less. Plus they would have to put a coil on the shoulder, and so I'd have to scrunch up really tight to get inside the tube. Well, no, I don't think I want to do that. It might not quite show what's going on with the shoulder. Nothing like a beautiful overcast day to ride, correct? Things pop so much better when the sun's out on camera. Somebody else out enjoying Thanksgiving? Like they were a bit cold too. I emailed one of my friends over in England about how Thanksgiving in the United States is time to be thankful and remember that it started with the pilgrims that fled Europe for a better life in America. And I asked if in England, in the UK, if they celebrated as well for good riddance. I know, bad joke. Bad joke. Hey, look at those two hawks hunting. That would be a couple too, a male and a female. Looks like there might be sunshine that direction. Let's head for the sunshine, huh? I know we're supposed to go northeast, but dang, I want some sunshine. Dog riding in the truck. Hey! This looks new. The surface. Wonder when they did all that.